we are making our volcano, a homemade volcano. We make it, and if you want to make a homemade volcano, you just have to have some baking soda, some vinegar, some food coloring, some dishwashing soap, and a bottle, and you also have a tray. So you need to place the bottle in the center of the tray, then fill the bottle up with water, then add some baking soda, then put food coloring in it, and then after that put some soap in it so it makes it look like an explosion. And if you want, and if you like, just put some food coloring in it to make it different colors. And then pour some vinegar into it so it'll actually explode.
And I'll explain the rest to you when it's done.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. And that was our volcano.
And also, you need a little bit of food coloring, just a little bit. And also, you need a tray that's big and wide. And you need a big ball so it's explosion big. Like, if you do it in the air, it'll explode.
That's it.
Yes, that's all we
Go
can
wash
do
my
today.
hands.
And we'll slide around when we are finished.
Ow, that hurts.
And we are. What?